Guys, don't buy data. This VPN will help you to browse without having data. All you need to do is to go to the Play Store and search for EC Tunnel Pro, then you download it. After downloading, then you open it. So after opening it, it will be something like this. Then you see here the best performance, you leave it there like that. Then you come here, then you select your country and what you want. So this I was selecting 500 megabytes, then I click on connect. So guys, as you can see, it has connected successfully and you can browse without having data connection. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly click the like button and hit the plus button for more.
Please like this video and comment because it matters to me a lot.